How to find friends with same zodiac sign on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to find friends with same zodiac sign on Snapchat. So, let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Assuming now that you have updated your Snapchat app, you may now open it. And once you're here, you should go to the chat section by swiping right on your screen or by clicking on this chat button right here. And then choose a specific chat or any chat that you want. For example, I will choose this one. Once you are right here, make sure to click on this rocket button right here on the rightmost part of the send a chat section. So click on it and scroll down a little bit until you can see the birthdays option right here. So you go ahead and open that birthdays and wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, it will prompt you to this page, the birthdays page. So if you want to see the birthdays of your friends, then you should go right here. However, if you want to see the zodiac signs of your friends, then you may go to zodiac signs right here. Wait for it to load, and then the list of zodiac signs will be right here, as well as the names of your friends. So right here, you may see the Leo. Since I only have one friend on this account, I may only see the Leo zodiac sign and then the name of my friend right here. So that's it. That's how you can find friends with same zodiac sign on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.